so here we go. We are going on the first drive. See how it works all out. All right, so we got the turbo kit built. We've got some fresh gas in there, and we've got the manual swapped in there. So this is actually the first time we're really test driving it since we've worked on anything, especially since last year. So this is a tried and true moment. It's kind of scary, and it definitely is the full epitome of the whole, built not bought deal, because that's exactly what this car is. Now we'll run back over here. As you can see, it's got a Treadstone TR1045 intercooler. All the piping's custom made, so that way I get to keep my fog lights. It's still pretty dirty inside, as you can see, but got all the gauges installed, everything's ready, and we're actually going to data log this drive with the X4. And there it is. The T45 swap is complete. Now, if you haven't been following this build, that T45 actually had 2 broken ones. And what I did is I actually took and made one good one out of both of them. So I kind of went through it and kind of rebuilt it myself. So we're going to find out just how good it was, because I had 0 experience doing this. This is just, I've literally had just a few people answer a few questions, and then basically the help of anything I could find on the internet in any way, shape, or form. Okay, and as far as the turbo goes, it's an eBay GT45. Just went through, custom made everything on it. Flipped 2 driver's side headers. I got one over there actually in the normal orientation. It just flips all around. I went with the Mafia, still running the stock mass airflow sensor. That may get changed out depending on drivability tuning and stuff, because I can't really get on the car just yet, because it still have to break in that new clutch. So I'm literally going to have 500 miles of just pure torture, because I can't really get on it a lot. I mean, it says don't break 4,000 RPM, which can be hard because you're obviously not going to be in boost ever with the turbo that large. But when I do get into it, at least I can get into easing on the tuning stuff. So right now we are going to take the first drive and basically just see if this hard work paid off. Beautiful. Feels great. Success. All right, so that was the first drive ever. Everything went great. Grinded a little bit of third. I have to adjust the clutch a little bit more. But wow, absolutely amazed with all the work that was done and all at the same time, or back to back. I couldn't be more pleased or happy with it. As you can see here, it's still steaming a little bit just because it's burning off that fresh header wrap stuff. Look at it there. But it'll only do that a few times. All in all, great.